doctor and a signature? A short note which comes in the pharmacy. So we discuss today. Hello friends, we discuss about the doctor and a signature. A short note regarding 10 mark or 5 mark. You can easily discuss. By this we discuss only the definition and its example. So what is doctor and a signature? Doctor and a signature, it is tells regarding the sources of drugs and the drug symptom is known as doctor and a signature. That is means that the sources of a drug regarding the sources means to pharmacy and the drug symptoms related to Matra Medica. That's why it is otherwise named as the relationship between pharmacy and Matra Medica. You see this in the long question also you can written, but the long question when asked, then it is regarding not doctor and of signature, it is regarding the relation between pharmacy and Matra Medica. But doctor and of signature is a portion from this long question. So what it means, that it is the relation between the sources of a drug and a drug symptom. So what is it? How what is its meaning? So this meaning is clarified by taking the example. So first example we take the relationship between bella means belladonna and a calcaric carb. So how the sources of a drug is related to the symptoms of a drug. So that here you see that the belladonna plant grows in soil. In which soil? The soil which is rich in calcium carbonate. So, and calcarea carb is the medicine which derived from the sources calcium carbonate. So now how calcium carbonate means the calcarea carb and belladonna is related to each other by means of a calcium presence, means due to belladonna is present, source is means it grows in the calcium rich soil. So its action means belladonna action, what is its drug picture is somewhat related to the calcarea carb. So in this way, one example regarding the belladonna and the calcarea carb we discuss how both two medicine related to each other. So that according to Dr. Henneman, he says that calcarea carb is the complementary action to the belladonna very well. So it is regarding the Matra Medica and pharmacy. How pharmacy is related to Matra Medica we see from this example. And also another example we also take to clarify much more, that is our Brownia and Brownia source, means Brownia alba is a drug which is synthesized from the root, and the root of the Brownia is look like fleshy and yellowish color, and its root means the Brownia root, when if we take, then it will be acidic and bitterness taste. If we cook, then it is acidic and bitter, and the odor is nausea, means vomiting like smell was appear. But when so how it is related to the Brownia drug picture, means when the person who is extent flexy, means lean and thin, with its the person trunk or the patient who is having tongue of yellowish white, and the nature is so much irritating, we can judge the mental picture as a Brownia drug picture. So in this way, Brownia drug picture is related to with its pharmaceutical sources. So now from this example, I hope you can understand. I also another example also given, that lachesis is a medicine which is from the poisonous snake, that is our sudoku snake. So sudoku is a snake which found in the South Africa region. It having always remain in the call position, means rounded, means घूरा होकर रहता है winter or spring season, both winter and spring up to he remained in the call position. But when he always stretch his tongue, means trembling type of a tongue he always maintain. So what happened, that the lachesis patient having the also that type of a behavior, means they having tongue always rotating, always calling like of a lecture, means always tongue makes call trembling like with a stool which is found in the black stool. So these are the symptoms of the lachesis. So the sudoku behavior is somewhat similar to the lachesis symptom, though that's why it is called as a lachesis is related to sudoku. So lachesis and sudoku having the doctrine of a signature means they have the related to each others, because the sources of a drug is related to the materia medica means the symptoms of the drug. I hope by this 3 example you can clear how doctrine of a signature is related to the what is doctrine of a signature, and what is the meaning of a sources of a drug and a drug symptoms relation. Thank you.